jQuery callback and chaining. jQuery callback functions. JavaScript statements are executed line by line. However, with effects, the next line of code can be run even though the effect is not finished. This can create errors. To prevent this, you can create a callback function. A callback function is executed after the current effect is finished. So the typical syntax is, we have here the $ selector that, for example, hide, or it can be other effects, then speed, comma, and then we have here the callback function. So for example, button click function. So this is the event. So once we click the button, then it will do this thing. So what will this do is, we have here a paragraph selector, so it will be hidden. Then using slow, hidden slowly, and then function, we have here alert, the paragraph is now hidden. I'll be showing you that later. So this is the speed, and then we have here the callback function. So from this up to this part, up to the curly brace, is our callback function. And then here's the close parenthesis of this method or this action. So this is an example of callback. Then we also have jQuery chaining. With jQuery, you can chain together actions or methods. Chaining allows us to run multiple jQuery methods on the same element with a single statement. So this will make your code shorter. So jQuery method chaining. jQuery statements can be written one at a time, so one after another, the other. However, there's a technique called chaining that allows us to run multiple jQuery commands one after the other on the same statements. This way, browsers do not have to find the same elements more than once, so this is also faster. To chain an action, you simply append the action on the previous action. The following example chains together CSS slide up and slide down methods. So the P1 element first changes to red, then it slides up, then it slides down. So this is an example. So the paragraph changes color to red, that slide up, that slide down. Or you can also write it this way, since this one is more readable. So first we have CSS color red, then that slide up, then that slide down, then end it with a semicolon. So these two are just the same. So that ends the PowerPoint presentation, but let's now take a live demo. So let's open. So here I have a paragraph, or I have here heading, paragraph, paragraph, paragraph. So I have 3 paragraphs here, and then I had a button with a hide caption, and then once I click this button, this event will be triggered. So button click event, and then what will this do? It will hide the paragraphs, all elements with P. So it selects all paragraphs and then will hide them slowly using the speed slow, and then it will show the alert paragraph is now hidden. So it looks good, but let's try to run the program. So let's run this, launch in Chrome. So here it is. So if I click on hide, so take a look closely. So it has shown the alert box, but the paragraphs are not yet hidden. So that's a problem with this if we are using events or we are using effects. So once I click OK, then that's the time it will hide the paragraphs. So there's something wrong. Now what we're going to do is we have to place this in a callback method. So allow me now to insert here a function. So function open close, and then the block. Okay, so function open close, that's a function. So just like what we have here above, function, and then we have the open and the close curly brace here. So function open close, then open curly brace, close curly brace. So function open close parentheses, and then open curly brace, close curly brace, and we place the code inside. So I'm going to press enter key to make my code readable. And the callback function, what we're doing with my callback function is to display the alert alert box, or the alert box. So I'm going to cut that and paste that here inside my callback function. So once I save, and now let's try to refresh. So if we click on hide, you notice it is now hidden, and then it shows the alert box. So more or less it's now okay. Okay, so now let's show the other one, chaining. So I'm going to delete this one. Let's say we have chaining. So we have p dot css color red, and then dot slide up 2000, that's 2 seconds, then dot slide down 2000, and then end with a semicolon. So I have chained 3 actions, or three methods here. So the paragraph will change color to red, slide up and slide down. And let's just change this one to do it. Okay, so let's try to refresh this one now. Hopefully this will work. So do it. So slide up, slide down. So I have now changed the